Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the KOTTO brand, their 3-pack kitchen scissor set. Heavy-duty kitchen shears for chicken, poultry, fish, and food cutting. Rustproof stainless steel, dishwasher safe. There's black and green color, I love the colors here. This company offers free refund or replacement. So it's always great to have scissors in your kitchen, and here you get a good assortment. This one here has a holder on there, and it has a nice magnet, really strong, to be able to hold this, stay on your kitchen or any piece of iron that you have, and allows you to hold it right in there, keep it safe. Let's just take a look at this. So these have unique opening right here, and that just diffuses some of the material that gets processed through here. Now we're going to test this in we're going to test this in a simple way. I have a thick Amazon package right here. You can see it just goes right through it. You notice these have a serration on there, which is really nice. You could also open this up, and the advantage of that is you can run this in a sharpener and sharpen this quite easily. You also notice it has this serrated part right there, and you can use that to grab something like a cap of a bottle and rotate it. Very nice. Now all of these have the stainless steel material, and they also go through here to a certain amount. They don't go all the way through the hand portion, and this is usually a separate piece. So you could abuse them, you could damage them, so be careful what you're cutting, but they are really sharp. Next one is this one here. It's got a unique torque multiplying mechanism on here. You can see right there, it's really nice. And even has a little bottle cap opener on there. And these ones, you can't remove the blade unless you unscrew these, but these are also very sharp. Goes through this quite easily. So these are really sharp. And I love that torque multiplying effect. And they also have this really nice siliconized section in there. It feels really good when you're using this. And then the last one right here has a latch on there. Really nice quality. And you can unscrew that to sharpen it. And the latch holds it essentially in place. And it's kind of a unique shape. And it has a siliconized comfortable grip on there also. Goes right through this thick material. And there's styrofoam in here too, so this goes right through it. And again, it has the lock on there, which is really nice. So these are really very simple to use, a great quality set that you're going to like. I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.